Hello, everybody. It's Bobby. We're at Bobby's Hobbies, and what are we gonna do now? Well, I've got this very old Athearn chassis, and this was designed to run with rubber bands. And I really don't know how old this is because this motor is not what I'm familiar with. It does work. These are not the original connections, and we could show you that it works. I mean, what I say it works is that the motor runs. So I wonder if I could put it. Not picking up that way. See right on the contacts. Yeah, it works. Not great though. You might think, yeah, well, it's an old engine. Should you fix it? Leave it as it is. Forget it. Put a new motor. But to me, if we could get the original thing to run, that would be the best. Okay, the motor's got a lot of life in it. This wobbles, but here's the interesting thing. As you could see, this mounting post goes right through there. The newer ones, it's just like a U cup, and it sits in there. It's easy to take it up and off and slide the rubber bands on. But with this, not so easy. Not so easy. In fact, the only thing I could think of is, to slide it off that way. Okay, that's good. It worked. Whether this was original or not, I don't know. I don't think so. But it came off. That's good. Let's see if we can get this one to come off. Oh, came off. This must have been something I replaced. It looks kind of shabby, but it might work. That means we can put cables, rubber bands or something, and then once they're on there, we've got to open these up and put them on. Now, I got this at the dollar store. These are gaskets. These seem too small. First blush, that seems too big. One of these seems about right. Well, how can I open this without doing... I don't want to open it in such a way that they all fall out. I want to make it that the container has the ability to keep most of them in. And I'd have to pry it open. So I have one of these X-Acto. But you know what? This is the wrong blade. Definitely the wrong blade. Here's a classic blade. That just seems way too big. I'm going to go with this one. This is kind of what I want. But if it's so good that I still can't get it out, that's too tight. Perfect. This just might work. We'd need 4 of them. And I just got some rosin on me from some prior project. Now, where did I put those glasses? Oh, here they are. Let's see what kind of screw we need to. Oh, wow. The screws are on top and the bottom, and they're all a regular screwdriver, flathead. This should work. Not my favorite screwdriver for some reason, and that's because it's kind of a wide head on there, and it doesn't really want to let things out or fit in. See? Oh, it did fit in. Now we have to loosen this up to get these, to get this on there. Oh no. Oh wow. I never knew that. Look at that. This is a separate piece. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. See that? Look at that. That is fascinating. Never knew that about the older Athearn, that was its own piece. Wow. All right. I'm going to try a different screwdriver. Where is the new one that I got? Of course, it's can't find that either. Oh no, here it is. This has got a finer flat blade edge. Still not grabbing it. Finally. Let's see. I don't know if you could see in there. Maybe it's best if I work down here. Did he solder? No. It's got to prevent this wire from spinning. It's going to come off. Yep. Just feel it. Barely hanging on. I hate that. I don't have time to clean it now. It's a pretty thick rubber band. The question is, will that be hitting? Is that thick enough that it's too thick? Let's see what it would look like on the track. Nah, it'll go over it. You could see, yeah, it won't hit the rubber. But that probably would be better if it was a flat rubber band. Almost out. Wow, just about works. Oh, this freaking thing is hard. Well, it definitely should have little rubber bands instead of these things. They both turn the right way. Doesn't matter that this is not on there because we're not getting power through the tracks now anyway, but let's just see if that turns successfully. Oh, wow. It's too tight. The little motor can't spin it. No, they are too tight. Need rubber bands. All right, that's all she wrote on that project.